The fly is your company? Damn, you are lonely. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to for the first time to you new watchers. Today we're gonna be watching the second Christmas special with Ncuti Gatwa as the Doctor. Um, so I'm Xavier, and last time we left off, it was that Ruby, she had phoned her birth mother, and there was some talk about linking up with her birth father too, and they had solved that whole thing with Sutek. And what happened after that is that right, so the doctor went off on his own, and so this special now, the lead of it is supposed to be Nicola Coughlan. So she is most famous for Derry Girls and Bridgerton. So I have not watched. She was also in Barbie. Um, so I have not watched Derry Girls yet. It is on my list of things to do. I have to wait about doing it on the channel or just watch it on my own. I haven't gotten a chance to do either yet. So hopefully that will work out. So we'll see. Hopefully I get to do it for the channel, but yeah. So that's enough of that. This synopsis says the Doctor meets Joy in a Thai motel where a deadly plan threatens Christmas itself. Sounds interesting. And yeah, let's get into it.
Think there'll be much left. Used to know someone who lived up that way. Long time ago.
Woman, was it?
Two women, in fact.
Well, that doesn't surprise me.
Oh, okay. He was a Playboy in his youth.
Everything we hold dear, democracy itself will fall.
And she's toasty in a pumpkin latte. No?
That's gonna be extremely weird to see.
It's locked.
Well, that door's always been locked.
What is that door?
Ham and cheese toasty in a pumpkin latte?
No.
Wrong room. Never mind.
Yeah. Okay, that they did a spoiler of this. Not like a spoiler, a teaser. They showed this like a few months back or something like that. So I've seen this, and this is where he meets Nicola.
Never mind.
Yeah, cause this is now where Nicola is coming in, and she rents a room at this hotel.
Do you have a room, please? Just for the week. Single. Oh, does it show? There's a door like that in a hotel room, a funny locked one.
Anyway, I'll go get you some towels.
I'm Joy. Welcome to my room. I was going to be lonely.
The fly is your company? Damn, you are lonely.
The starseed will bloom, and the flesh will rise.
What?
What?
Ham and cheese toasty in a pumpkin latte.
He found you he was looking for. Oh, Steven Moffatt wrote this. Thought it would be Russell T Davies. Oh, interesting. $2,000 in the future. Okay. Long night. I'm feeling vibes. This is Christmas Day, late Christmas Day. I'm watching this, so lots of food, lots of drinking, all of that, so I understand, Doctor, I understand.
Is something available on the third floor?
First visit.
It is, yes.
Got a newspaper.
And a coffee. Who takes a coffee to the loo?
What is it?
Um,
To their own. To somebody else in there.
exactly, each to their own. People are weird, you never know.
Yes. Habit. Never get used to them leaving. Here. Keep the marks bigger on the inside.
The mug is bigger on the inside.
So I just put my coat on. Why did I do that? Oh, and now I'm getting the Sonic. What did I see?
The briefcase. That's what you saw.
Oh, yeah. Of course. Keep it casual, like you haven't noticed anything dangerous.
I haven't noticed anything dangerous.
Then why aren't you strolling better?
I'm pretending to not notice something I really haven't noticed.
That makes a lot of sense. I understand.
Anyone would look up at that on their first visit.
We're not looking up.
Because we are on a top secret, dangerous mission.
Oh, okay then.
So what mission is he on? With a briefcase chained to his wrist. Time hotel, what does that mean?
I guess you could ask the guy who works there.
I thought you said you were from head office. Don't you know how it works?
I like to enter investigations with my mind completely blank. I fit in better.
Should I make my mind blank too, sir?
Oh no.
Terry, in your case, Trev.
Okay.
Yeah, it's already blank.
Package deals for all of history's biggest hits. No wonder there was no room at the inn.
Okay. A little Jesus joke.
A special. Christmas everywhere all at once.
There you are.
Everything everywhere all at once. Love that movie.
What will it be, Trev? A ham and cheese toasty and a pumpkin latte.
Here I come. Oh, here I come.
Ham and cheese toasty and a pumpkin latte, sir. Enjoy your light snack.
The kitchens are 30 minutes in the future. They start preparing your food before you order it. It saves time.
Oh, wow.
It's implanted. It's a psychic graft. It's very efficient. It still calls my mum if I forget to flush.
Lesson number 1. Only meaningful way to follow someone is to get there first.
That makes kind of sense. Okay.
This is going to be the least I've ever let anybody down.
Okay, that kind of worries me. That kind of worries me. We'll see.
Access upgraded.
Make yourself comfortable and don't attract attention. You should be dead quite shortly.
Oh.
Will bloom and the flesh will rise.
Wow. So that's how it avoids. Ah, I see.
Trev, you give me a hand in here. Somebody left this case.
Access upgraded.
Sorry.
This isn't good, is it?
No, it's not good.
I was on a mission.
The room's not available to the Time Hotel.
Ah, okay, that's the...
Pumpkin latte.
I understand. I get it. So that's how they avoid meeting up with each other. It makes sense. Okay, and now that's why this guy has the... Yep. Trevor's about to die, Doctor.
I went and let him down.
Hey, it wasn't your fault, Trev. You didn't know. Trev.
Someone just... Can someone please tell me what is going on?
Well,
Why is there a lizard man in my room?
I'm so sorry. This has never happened before.
Take it and all will be explained.
I do like an explanation.
Do not take it, Doctor.
I would also like to understand, and it's my room.
It is actually her room.
Sorry, could you just leave this with us for a moment?
Oh, am I in the way in my own actual room?
Yes.
Who's we?
Am I even in this conversation?
Look,
No.
get on with this, please.
Sorry. Am I in the way?
Yes.
This is just men all over, isn't it? Even
I know.
He's a Silurian. Don't call him a lizard man.
Yeah, but it's just a mask, isn't it?
No, it's not a mask.
Game. I know all about these hotels.
Stacy.
Why is the hotel worker not weirded out.
Shut up, the two of you. I'm taking the case.
No!
What's this? The starseed will bloom and the flesh will rise.
Oh, I know.
What does she know? Something's weird with that lady.
Be alive for those guys.
That was a bit sad, really, wasn't it?
Being mansplained by a briefcase.
Well, I thought I was being mansplained by you.
What's in it? Okay.
So the current case holder will be disintegrated with extreme prejudice.
Oh, that's the starseed.
I'm thinking.
Well, can you close the case and think?
I'm a very visual person.
But it's going to disintegrate.
Eh,
I feel like I'm missing something obvious.
Close the case!
Quiet, please.
there's time, there's time.
There. Closed. Bags of time.
Please enter your 4-digit security code, or the current case holder will be disintegrated.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't see that coming. Did you see that?
I didn't see that either.
Code?
No.
Use the TARDIS again. I would re-engage the causal nexus, but in this hotel, the time zones are physically connected. They're already interacting, so in theory... Come in! 7214. 7214.
Who are you?
Me. Oh, okay, good. Oh. The long way round.
Yes, how long?
You'll find out.
What do I do? Where do I go?
You will find out.
Oh, do you see? You have to be mysterious all the time. That's why everyone leaves you. That is why you were always alone.
Basically...
Do you know how alone you are?
Yes, he knows.
Giant spaceship and there aren't any chairs, and you haven't even noticed because nobody ever comes round.
Oh, the doctor being the doctor, even to himself. Fun.
Oh my God.
Okay, this is definitely Moffatt. This is definitely Moffatt. Oh man, yeah. Yeah, he doesn't have any chairs. I did not notice that. See, the other TARDISes, they had chairs, but this TARDIS, no chair. Intriguing.
Oh my God!
Since you 2025. Okay. So there's no way back to the time hotel for a whole year. Remind me, where do I get money from again? What is your name?
Anita.
Anita.
Is he gonna work at the hotel for a year?
Anita, do you need anything doing around here?
Yep, I was right.
Guys, sorry about the delay.
We haven't ordered yet.
Psychic paper.
I'm on a diet.
Ah. That's what it's picking up. Okay.
Yeah.
I like her. She sees it, she minds her business.
What does it mean?
I dig you, Anita.
Time's long past.
Who are you not phoning? You keep looking at the phone, it's very obvious.
Ruby?
What's the problem with Ruby?
Nothing.
No problem. Just gotta let people get on with their lives.
Yep. She needs to find her own way.
You and me, letting people get on with their lives.
Oh yeah, I can tell that's Anita.
Old friends.
Occasion 28.
Is this armed?
Wait, that's Dalek, yeah.
But it takes you where you need to go.
And why is my car blue now?
Because the TARDIS, that's why.
Love when the clocks go forward, don't you?
I always have. Online, mostly. For some reason, there's loads of them.
Yeah.
They like you too. I can tell.
He's missing a companion.
Have a chair.
I'm telling you.
Yay, I like Anita. I'm just liking her vibe, I don't know.
This is my favourite night of the week.
Chair night.
Chair night.
You see, they connect connection to the Time Hotel isn't active. I can't get through.
Not a clue what he's talking about.
I hate waiting. Don't you?
Yes. Yes. You're making a movie right now.
You always say you're waiting. What for?
Nothing.
Yes, there's something.
Nothing.
Look at this. I love this little friendship.
I don't like it when the clocks go back. Do you?
No.
Boyfriends, who needs them, right?
Right.
You probably do, Anita, judging by how she's been. She left something. But hey, it is what it is.
Get off without saying goodbye.
Just off for a few days.
I've had that one before.
Have a slightly complicated life.
Oh God, you're married, aren't you?
No.
And you know what it was like?
Fun.
Amazing. And you know why it was amazing?
Because of you, Anita.
You.
Hey.
Everyone who knows you is so lucky. I bet you they tell you that all the time.
No, they don't.
It's actually just the one guy. You look after yourself, okay? Never be alone at Christmas. You don't need to be, because I'll be right here. Anita, at the sanctuary. Think of me sometimes.
I'm sure he will. He will.
Old Lang Syne.
For Old Lang Syne.
That's so cute. This it's so nice in the relationship. That's such good writing and acting to show us that good a relationship in so short a time. You could just feel the vibes between them, man. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, so good, so good, so good.
Come in. 7214. 7214.
Who are you?
Me. Oh, okay, good. Oh.
Ah, the loop is closed.
Story. Well, basically, I heard myself say it a year ago and I remembered it.
But I can't.
Yeah.
Weird, I know. I mean,
same like
When did you get the code? What, you just time traveled and told you so?
Yes.
Well, that would cause a paradox. In this hotel,
oh,
be physically linked. Yeah, paradox proof. Just breaking the connection.
It's just like the Pandorica and the what's it called, the Perico Open, the Big Bang. I don't remember what the name of the episodes.
That won't do, will it?
So you're scouting for the right time zone?
My room wasn't far enough back in time.
Ah.
What that chain reaction will lead to?
A starseed will bloom.
A star will be born, yes. Big Bernie Bang, in theory.
To measure star for your own personal energy source, you would need one thing, yeah. Time. And here we are, in the Time Hotel.
Right.
Ding, ding, ding. You just microwave the star.
Correct. That makes sense.
Do you know what else I worked out, Joy? You. Tables, but... a hotel room?
Her face is so disconcerting.
It's what you think you need.
No, it's changing.
What's your mirror telling you, Joy? It's the worst, loneliest, saddest hotel room in the world. What kind of person can a sad sack human train wreck puts himself in a room like that at Christmas?
Because they feel awful about themselves and they're extremely lonely.
Seriously, when you tell people your name, do they laugh?
She died in hospital. I couldn't even visit. I had to talk to her on an iPad because of the rules.
Oh, the rule.
Don't you say that.
Don't you say that!
Oh, okay. I see he's trying to break the connection by just getting to her. Okay. I think that's what he's doing.
She died on Christmas Day. Christmas Day! And I say goodbye in an iPad! Because of the rule! She died alone! And those awful people in their wine fridges and their dancing and their parties, and I listen to them, and I let my mother die alone! I can never be home on Christmas Day. And I can never be with anyone on Christmas Day because I let her down. I let her down on the last day of her life on Christmas Day. Never change that.
The briefcase came off her hand, but also, damn, that's rough.
That's rough, buddy.
Why did you do that?
I'm sorry. Yeah.
He had to save you.
Made you angry. To wake you up.
I.
All that rage bubbling away. Just below the surface. Have you seen your smile? Like the lid on a boiling pot. I'm sorry, Joy.
It was beautiful.
What was?
I was a star.
Oh. Interesting.
Evil must logo.
Is that the
Conflict solution.
No.
The Lane Guard.
Yes.
Why would a weapons manufacturer want to make a star?
Energy.
My consciousness has been uploaded to the communication interface for user convenience.
Oh.
A star seed.
Oh, the last person that died. Okay. That makes sense.
Valengard respects the collateral sacrifice made by all participating innocent life forms, regardless of race, species, or belief
The
system.
thing is, I mean, clever idea, the Time Hotel, but
Dinosaurs?
to check into the Time Hotel 65 million years ago.
Oh, French.
He did not say French. How's he gonna fix this?
Okay. Many things about this are suboptimal.
Yes.
Dinosaurs, they were about 65 million years ago, yeah?
Fine, bring that up, why don't you? That speech was going really well.
My mission is proceeding broadly as planned, and I have exceeded my personal expectations, which is giving me considerable satisfaction and renewed hope for the future. However, I'm dead.
Yes, you are.
Inside the star, inside the briefcase, inside the dinosaur.
Well, the afterlife has not been without incident, sir. Duplicated virtually. I was able to connect it to the briefcase communication software.
That was very clever.
Well, I've had several million years to work it out.
That is true.
I will not let you down, sir.
Ah. Good man, Trev.
Humidity, temperature, rotational gravity, anything I can use to narrow it down.
Mavity.
In the meantime, if it helps, we're in room 48.
Yes, that is much more helpful.
He submits a psychic field that possesses people. It's basically how you start a religion.
Just wait. Right there, I am very, very good with rope.
Yep. We saw that in the last Christmas special. Ah, this is where he's gonna get rope.
Why are you taking that equipment?
Because it was there.
It's a reason. And him throwing that hook thing, that's from the past too. See, the rope, the hook, everything just coming back into place.
You and I want you to live.
Joy.
Oh, it's inside her.
I was hoping you'd come back to say goodbye. The star seed will bloom. But don't worry, we'll be far from here, deep in the sky. The Vanguard are nothing. We're far beyond them now.
Listen.
I'm not dying. I'm changing. Behaving something beautiful.
Okay.
Because you need to change too.
Excuse me? I just had to make you angry. I told you.
Everything you said was true.
He was also talking about himself too.
You stayed in that room for a year.
That wasn't so bad.
He had Anita.
She was right all along. I'm Joy. And I'm gonna see her again. And she's gonna be with me.
She's now joy to the world. All worlds.
There's still home.
Ruby? It's Ruby.
Hi, Mom.
Which mom? Her birth mom or her adopted mom?
Would you be interested in working at the Time Hotel?
Does that mean we're gonna see her again?
See you very soon. As soon as this nonsense is over, we're right in there. Merry Christmas. I can't wait to see you properly.
And she's gonna see the star outside. The star right there. Joy gets to see. Oh! It's more than that. Oh! That's so soppy and so cool. Oh, those are actual tears, man.
Joy to the world!
The name of the episode. Oh. Cool. That's cool. Okay. I understand. So that was Joy to the World, and now we're gonna watch the teaser for season 2.
There are forces beyond this universe.
What?
There are forces beyond this universe. So look into them.
Doctor! You need to get me home.
This might be the long way round.
But the games are deadly.
What the hell is this?
Oh. So that was Joy to the World, as well as a teaser for season 2 of this thing, whatever, with Disney Plus and Doctor Who. Anyway, so let me just do a little thing on this, the teaser first. Okay, so we saw Ruby at Unit, and we saw the new companion. I'm gonna assume the new companion comes in the second half of the season, or maybe the Doctor meets her in episode 1 and Ruby and her share time or something. I don't know. Obviously she looks like the is it the same person? Wait, no, did she didn't die. Her what name again? Her crush died, the person she really liked. He died, as well as her commanding officer, he died too, and then so she was looking after his daughter, the officer's daughter. Yeah, I wonder if it's the same character, or if it's just somebody with the same face, like what name again? Who played multiple? It was, oh gosh, Peter Capaldi and Karen Gillan. They played different people before they played Amy and also the Doctor. That's what I was trying to remember. I was trying to work out all the names before I said anything. Right. I'm sure there are others too, I forgot, but anyway. So, and also, yeah, so looks interesting. So we're gonna see more units, see Ruby, see new adventures. Looks fun. Alright, don't think I have a lot to say, more to say on that. We leave that for next year. So this episode. So we had two main co-stars there. There was Nicola Coughlan as Joy. Oh, I need to find out who played Anita. Hold on. Okay, so Anita is played by Steph Dawali. I don't know how her what her CV looks like in terms of acting and everything, but I think we're gonna see her in the future since she's working at the Time Hotel now. There's a lot in 4202. There is potential for seeing her in the future. She didn't die or anything, so she might show up in the next set of episodes. So I hope so. It would be nice for the Doctor to have someone who's a companion light, who kind of like the character Kylie Minogue played when Tennant was Doctor. Yeah, except the Kylie Minogue's character died, so you know. But this would be a companion kind of person who is still around, and the Doctor shared like this adventure with, that he can just go back and chill with and everything. So I hope that happens. You know, kind of like Kate, but not Kate. You get me? Is it a different version of Kate? Someone who's not Unit, or Wilf. You know, since Wilf has passed on the actor Bernard Cribbin, we can do that. So come to look forward to. I hope they do it. Right, we saw Ruby at the end, and she was saying hi, mom, and she was looking at the star, and there's a lot of people looking at the star. We don't know which mom she refers to. I don't know. Anyway, not important. Doesn't matter. So this was about Anita and Trev. Trev, I thought he let us down. And I was saying, but it's not his fault that it happened. You know, you just being like a good co-worker, and it's like, oh, yo, come check this out. This thing, this whatever, you know. And he was also going to the same place where the guy was, so it was like easy. I get to do two things at once. I get to see what my co-worker is asking me to look at, and also the guy I'm supposed to be tracking, he's there too. So you know, two birds with one stone. So I can't blame Trev. You know, it is what it is. So sorry, Trev. But yeah, and then Anita, she was just like, I love that relationship that she and the Doctor built. You could see that just amazing acting, and I like that writing that they put in, but it was amazing acting by both Ncuti and Steph, where you could see that they had you could felt that they had a camaraderie. You could feel that they had a bond, and it was only like what 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 10, 15 minutes or so episode, but you could see Anita. She is a person who she has a lot of love in her heart, but she has been unable to find it able to be opened up and or reciprocated, you know. She is someone that you feel for. You see it, you sense there's something deeper in her. That's why the Doctor looked out for her. And hey, you want like a better job at like a better hotel? Hey, check this out. She said only one person ever told her how amazing she is, how cool she is and everything. And I'm just glad that the Doctor did that for her, you know. She's like, hey, you do you, I'm a man my business. But it's just like she's not willing to. Okay, it's not like she's not willing to, but she's just had the chance to build a lot of meaningful connections, and it's impacted how she goes about her day to day, you know. But you see, there's more to her, there's deeper to her, and the Doctor unlocked that with their games night and everything. And lovely. Okay, yeah. And now back to Nicola Coughlan's character, Joy. It's like this dowdy, like sad little person, and you sense there's like this thing. You could see that there's more to her too, but it's in a different way. That she's putting on like a mask, cause he mentioned, oh, this Silurian guy. Oh, it's just a guy in a mask, but actually, Joy's the one wearing a mask. But she has these like deep feelings, and that she's portraying. Oh, where there's like joy and everything, but there's like sadness and anger inside her. Anger at, you could tell, because this Doctor Who went political here, because there was this whole thing in Britain where there are all these rules during COVID and everything, and stay inside, you can't visit your loved ones and hospital, all that, for the greater good. Exactly, right. But then you have these government officials and like the ruling party members, alongside not necessarily government officials, there's a whole lot with it, and they're having these parties and everything, but they're telling everybody else to, hey, social distance, do this and blah 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 blah, but they're breaking their own rules, and the rules don't apply to us, they apply to you, they don't apply to us. We're better than you, we're superior, all this blah 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 blah. We're better than you. That's by the way, that boys we have power, and so we're gonna exert that power. We don't care. Okay, it's for the rules are for you, not for us. And so that's what Joy is angry about. That these people, from what I remember, like very few of them get any comeuppance, no consequences faced. Like some of them got voted out of office, but it was just like that was doing like that was just like a collection of various things that resulted in what's his name again, Boris losing his being voted out by the Tories and replaced by Liz Truss, I think that's her name, and she didn't last, like she lasted like a month or whatever, and then you had Rishi, and then he got voted out earlier this year by replaced by Labour. Was there someone in between Boris and was it Theresa May? Was she between Boris and Liz? Anyway, whatever, not important. But you see, that's how she's angry, and then Moffat is inserting himself here. But Doctor Who is just being political, as it's always been, by its very nature of who ran it. Like they said, the Verity Lambert, the female first producer, was a woman. I think that's the first time a woman had been a producer of a BBC show or something like that. And then the first director was like this Asian guy. It's a whole lot of things from when Jodie was the taking over. I don't remember. And also the movie. Oh, that was a good movie. Was it Adventures in Time and Space, something like that, with the guy who stands in as for William Hartnell, if they're gonna do a first Doctor thing, because he played the first Doctor in this movie about Doctor Who, and he was the guy who played Walder Frey. Yeah, all that. But you see, so Joy's whole thing is understandable, and then like I'm assuming she has no other family or anything like that, and so she's just like this ball of sadness and anger and all of that, and there's all in her, and so she felt the best way for her was to just like okay, Doctor, you're saving me, but I want to save the world. I want to do something positive. I want to take these feelings that I have and do something with it, and that's what she did. And in the end, she got to see her mom, because her mom was supposed to pass it, and then she was like, okay, my mom's supposed to pass it, so it's gonna use this time hotel residual effects, and I'm gonna be all through time and space as a star, because stars are like whatever million, billion, whatever light years away, and so just goes time and everything, and she can throughout the time she's able to see her mom, because it's like it was 1 AD. Yeah, it was 1 AD when she became a star, so she was there from all that time through, so she would be there in 2020. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, and then so bada bing bada boom. So when her mom is passing, she's there with her mom, and she after the call she gets, and then like, oh mom, she said they're connecting it, and the tears, man, beautiful. And you're even gonna talk about it that episode because it's a Christmas special. It's well made. It's good. It's not the best Doctor Who episode ever, but it's not important. It's a good, solid Doctor Who episode, and Christmas episodes are just about mainly like the feeling. What can you evoke? And it did its job. I felt friendship, and I felt sadness, and yeah. Christmas didn't have a lot to do with it. It was just about, human emotion and about capitalistic greed, and all about we will sacrifice millions or billions of lives for our profits and all that with the Vanguard, and they're recording body now, and so yeah, and it's just about the feels. So good job, Moffatt. I think I like that Moffatt is just now a writer. He's no longer he's not no longer the showrunner. Although I didn't mind Moffatt as a showrunner, but it's a very exhausting thing. So now I like that it gets to focus on just like a couple episodes a season or whatever, and he wrote the Christmas special. I did not expect that. I thought it would be Russell T. Davies writing this, but it's Moffatt. So hey, so I've rambled on a lot, and that's what Doctor Who does. It gets you to talk a lot, because it says a lot, Doctor Who always has a lot to talk about. It gives you a lot to chew on. Even the May episodes, there's a lot to chew on, and yeah. So I'm gonna stop here, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Goodbye.